everyone, this is Isha Chopra. I am an actor, a screenwriter and a host, and today is an extra special day because I am going to be interviewing none other than my father, Dr. Isha Chopra, who is a consultant cardiologist, a functional medicine expert, and more recently an Instagram influencer.
Yes.
Yes? How do you like the attention?
Wonderful.
As a solid professional, you shouldn't be saying things like that. But recently, one of your reels that was about egg yolks and cholesterol kind of went a little bit viral, and we felt that it was a good idea to just sort of come in here and have a real conversation about it, because it seems that cholesterol is a very misunderstood thing. So Dad, Dr. Chopra, what is this controversy about cholesterol? Is it friend or foe?
First of all, cholesterol has become a swear word. Everybody thinks it's evil. And the moment the cholesterol goes around 200, everybody gets a pill. You must understand that cholesterol is essential for life. Where does cholesterol come from? I put this question to most of my patients and they'll say, obviously from food. I said, yes. Yes, not at all. 85% of the cholesterol is made in our body. How can it be bad? Kis tarah ho sakta hai?
Okay, even I didn't know that cholesterol actually is made in our body and doesn't come from food. So why does the body make cholesterol? Why is it needed? What are the different jobs it has to do on our body?
Well, it's got something like 10, 13, 14 jobs to do. And I'm trying to put them together because the number of jobs are multiplying from time to time. So let's start with the first one. The most important one, or not the most important one, structural integrity. Now, without cholesterol, the body cannot, cover the membranes of the cells, and it makes a protective barrier to make the cells sturdy, to make the arteries sturdy, so that they can and prevents all the turbulence that may happen in the heart. And so the next job it does is making lipid lifesavers. What are they? Cholesterol makes some rafts, and these rafts carry the proteins to where it is needed and for other important needs. Also, it helps in the communication with the cells. If there is no cholesterol, the nervous system runs down, congenital abnormalities can come up, and other things like autism, etc. The third one is vital brain matter. Now, there is a thing called myelin. Now, this myelin coats every cell, every nerve fiber, gives its insulation, nourishment, and protection. And this myelin is made by cholesterol. And therefore, other things like memory, connection with synapses. Synapses means how each nerve endings are together, and obviously other things like your intelligence and your mental issues, everything is being run by cholesterol. Number 4 is that it's a necessary product of the body. So the body makes cholesterol and it makes it as it is needed. Now, whether it is needed or not needed, there is no effect on the blood cells. It's working on its own. So when we have more cholesterol, the body produces less. And when we have less cholesterol, the body makes more. So even if you don't have cholesterol, the body is still making it. That's how important it is. Number 5 is the dangers of low cholesterol. First of all, it creates a lot of emotional instability, and a lot of criminal behavior is linked now with low cholesterol in the form of crime, aggression, violence, suicide, etc. The 6th one is about our endocrine glands. Now, we all know that the adrenals and our sex glands and our steroids are made from cholesterol. Cholesterol also is involved in the making of testosterone, progesterone, cortisol, aldosterone, and estrogen. And hence we understand that cholesterol is very essential for every sort of metabolism, including energy, brains, our behavior, muscles, bone, reproduction, emotions. So much is connected with cholesterol. We all know that the adrenal glands are responsible for our endocrine needs, and as a result, and what happens is that when we don't have cholesterol, there is a thing called adrenal exhaustion, and therefore adrenal exhaustion means that we cannot function properly. Even infertility, a large part of infertility is connected with low cholesterol. Number 7 is liver and vitamin regulation. Bile is made by cholesterol, and we all know that bile is very essential for digestion, and most people who get troubled for times on end for gut issues are connected with low cholesterol. So number 8 is our immune health. Now, did you know that cholesterol is deeply linked with our immunity? It does a damn good job for that.
I don't understand that. How can cholesterol be linked to your immunity?
Because that's its job. I can't help that.
There's so
Not
many
mine.
jobs.
Well, anyway, it is also deactivating bacteria, controlling infections, protecting damage, reducing the chances of AIDS, Alzheimer's, recovery from illness. All that is done by cholesterol. Now, within that, I'm coming to that later, but for the moment, I have used caviar, cod liver oil, and eggs in high doses to help the immunity with the help of cholesterol. So, the point number 9 is the varying levels of cholesterol. So, the cholesterol varies in different times of the day, different seasons, different parts of the year. With winter it increases, with summer it decreases, it increases after infections, increases after surgery, dental treatment, even stress increases it. And when we are relaxed, then the cholesterol comes down. That's how versatile it is.
You seem to be a little bit in love with cholesterol. I think I noticed a spark in your eyes right now when you were talking about it.
Well, that's true. I love cholesterol, and I always tell people, do you know what my cholesterol is? Take a deep breath. It's 325. Really? Yes, it is. And I'm still alive. Okay, number 10. Now, cholesterol is a marvelous healing agent. Now, whenever there is any injury or problems to our body, the liver sends cholesterol to the site where it is needed. And it just sits down and repairs everything that is needed. Cholesterol is also an antioxidant, helps in free radical damage. When surgery damages the arteries and veins, it helps there. Cholesterol heals all the other wounds, even for dental work. So